Unless I'm mistaken for what green is. More concerned about getting the Captain America figure that you bought him. To remember him by, yeah. Oh yeah, she's not often on Facebook, is she? Oh, it doesn't move because I've got to do the blow the red shit up that's over there. I got it. I see that I can climb onto the left there, but I will go this way first just to look around. I feel that I should... Oh, we got this. Yeah, Catwoman. Catwoman would definitely be in there. Ivy was in the Gotham one, was she? Yeah. I didn't watch much of that. I keep hearing good things. Yeah, there just wasn't enough there to grab me. I watched a couple of episodes and went, it's okay. But yeah, it wasn't enough for me to keep going on with the show. Or the GSM at the time. GSM's toes at all. I wanted to make sure that I wasn't streaming at the same time as them or taking any of the community away from them, because we do share a lot of the same community, so... I hate... Oh, we got a block with L2. Oh, shit. No, not with that button. Rain Man's excellent. I don't like Tom Cruise, but, you know, 90% of the movies that guy's in are very, very watchable. Because they didn't duck. Oh, dear. Oh, shit. You get pregnant standing next to him? Yeah, you would. You got the clip, you just need to make it to the screen. To a screen. Oh, okay. Yeah, awesome, Nigel. Thank you. Oh, dear. Filthy Beast, yeah. It's good to see you, yeah. See, yeah, he's supposed to get to Andrew as soon as he left.
So Megan's tired of us already is what I'm hearing.
Yeah, she just wants to see a game being played. Do you want me to put a trailer of Animal Crossing on for you, Megan?
Hold on, I don't have any Trulies here. Let me go grab one real quick. I'll throw that up.
Oh, dear. It's good, and so's the popcorn for actually getting rid of the enemies, whereas the plungers just pause them. Here. How are you, Banshee? Everyone wish Megan a happy level up day. It was her level up day yesterday, 2 days ago. I can't remember. 2 days ago in Australia, anyway. I hope you had a good birthday, Megan. I'm sure you did. You know, you got our support, and we really hope that your fortunes turn around next year, okay? But we're all with you, okay? We're not going anywhere. We're all with you. You fell asleep. That's what I want. That's what I want. This is a great track. Oh, shit. Oh, Jesus! Oh, that's still... There you go. 1,056 comments. 39 streams active, Dottie. Thank you very much, Dottie. Yeah, hammer time. Curiosity, says Bisker. So one letter can... No. Oh, we got him again. This is a good spot. If he goes any higher, we're in trouble. Where are you? Alright. No drunk captain. I mean, I'm actually not feeling great, Weber. I'm not feeling 100%. I'm not a fool. You're spoiling the fun when you do that. And with Mod Nigel of all people, shit. Oh, we made it. Airport to New York, but our flight was delayed for bad weather, so they put us up in a hotel that night. We went to Santa Monica Boulevard and hung out there, which was nice. And then I was in New York for 2 weeks, but that's all I saw of the US. But I'd love to go back again. You leave it at least 2. I'm not doing it again. This is the last time I play this game. This is the last time. Oh, shit. Now, Mikey, I have some rather bad news. Oh, I got next another extra life. I just thought Mantha hasn't fucking missed a single stream ever. I don't remember a stream in which Mantha hasn't at least popped his head in to say hello. Mantha's been like I've got all the knock. Thank you so much. Where's Jose's screen? This is for you, Jose. Nigel made this screen, by the way. Is it working? Hold on. I might be in the wrong... Hold on, I'm in the wrong... Where are we? Here it is.
Slippery wine!
The lights off. Carry me. Na 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 na. I've seen Blink 182 live. They were great. Can we go this way first? Oh, we can. We can. Come on, attack it. Someone else criticized Corso, so if he ends the stream, it's not just my... It'll be Sabine's fault. Doesn't matter. Don't worry about it, Mikey. Sabine's fault. It'll be Sabby's fault. I'm blaming everything on... Oh, shit. Damn it! Square to engage. What do I do here? What am I doing? There's all these symbols. Shit house. You're all shit house. Run, Forrest, run.
Hey, Logan. It's yours.
Jason Allen. Leon Thunderbird, thank you for the like. Just give me another trophy. Melanie Melton, our hearts is here. You rarely get sick. I get sick a lot because I work around lots of kids. Brian says, I've been trying to get the wife to let me get a chicken suit and old costumes become new again. Murray become... wrong. It's really bad. Yeah. And she's like that when she's having sex, but she kills the guy and she gets turned on by that as well. By squeezing them between her thighs. It's hilarious because the first dude she squeezed to death. Yeah, well, why not? I don't want to have to go through that again, to be honest. I don't want to have to go through it again. Oh, the twins are here. The Winfield and Schwenky are twins, apparently. How are you twins? Do it again. I missed it. Oh, there you go. I found it. I found the cave. Man, he called that like an hour ago. Shit. Fuck off. Yep. Alright, he's stuck in there now, isn't he? Well, I'm confused. All right, we're over halfway through. Huzzah. Megan, did you want to do battle? I feel like I'm going really
Goodness.
slow.
Me too.
I don't know where Damo is.
Are we doing 150 or?
Yeah, this is 150, but it feels really slow.
Yeah.
It could be a room. Come on, you. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's the best thing ever. I really do like. Well, I would go to over holiday stress because they are usually the cause of it. Yeah, I get that. I get that. Well, ask your friends for help, Sabu. If I tour the US... Granby, are you yanking my crank? Come here in the summer and you'll fucking feel how brutal it is. And we're on a coastal town. You go inland. Perfect timing. I said good day. Just as she died and got pulled away from him. Alone again. Well, I think that was supposed to happen. Can we...
Benji says especially the water levels. Yeah, good old aquatic ambient.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's some of the best music in any video game ever, even to date. Like, it's just... Man, whoever composed that was just a genius. So yeah, you gotta be really careful. I was very wary of Rick when I started because he did inspire me. He'd been streaming for 3 years. You just like making fun of him, don't you? I just like that you've both got something to make fun of each other over.
Well, what do you know? Just strolling.
I'm gonna get back to making VODs when I'm back on holiday, but I just don't have time at the moment. But yeah, the VODs are the only thing that's grown the page really at the moment, and the reels, of course.
Yeah.
Hi, Alvin McLeod. Hold on, let me just do this bit, and I'll come back to. Oh shit. I'll come back to that in a minute. It's just a bit hectic at the moment. We're in the middle of a war, people. Man. There's one up there, I think. Damn it, why couldn't you have come down early, you dickhead? How do I lock on again? Oh, there. Lock on button. Reasonably well. Oh, League is worth watching. It's not great, though. Yeah, I kind of want to watch it just to see what the fuss is about, because a lot of people ragged on it. And... oh, it's closing its eye. Okay, I see. Okay, I reckon... do we use this? Oh, that didn't work. Okay. I'll try that next time, Torres. I'm still working out the mechanics. This movable? Oh, fuck! Damn it. Oh, yeah, look. Oh, okay, look. That and that. Boom. Skills. Do it again next weekend. You'll have a 4-day weekend. Oh, nice, chat. I'll try and pop in and see you if I can. I just don't go on the purple very much, dude. What is a... good. I have patches and good patches and bad patches. Yeah. Man, I need some health, eh? How do I get health again? I've forgotten, Mikey. I've forgotten. You're walking after 2 years. Oh, you got your... Smooth, Sabby. Smooth. Don't do that. Don't do
Not
that.
really. I kind of burped. I kind of burped in the middle of
Yeah. I was going to say, you'll upset Louise. Don't do that.
Banako says he was working at Circuit City at the time that this was in high demand.
I can't even catch them. They're so far ahead. That's why they did the remake of 2. I don't know where I'm going. I don't know where to use this lapis key. I don't know where to use it. Oh, did you get triple hammered? Who else? I see that Bill's bloody called you out. You wonder if Bill Cosby had... Jesus, Bill. All right. You're okay, Winfield? Well, that's good to hear. Louise, I just see Bill and Louise. Yeah, 100%. I got onto it late. I'm always very skeptical when it comes to franchises that I love turning into video games. Same thing happened with X-Men Origins Wolverine. Love X-Men, love Wolverine. Didn't buy the PS3 because I know a few people that have done that. I wouldn't do it. I like eating too much. I'm getting a big fat belly though. I don't care. I'm 42. I don't give a shit anymore. I don't have to look good for anyone. Arts and rages. Aragorn's, I'll be alright with Aragorn. Legolas, I'll smash through it with Legolas. Mikey wants Legolas. Alright, so we've got 1 vote for Legolas. Biska voted for Gimli. Couple of hours for you. Hi, Sean Lamoth. Good to see you, my friend. Hope you're well. Mikey's here. Holy shit, it's Dockside. I thought you would be here. I thought you would be here. How are you, Mr. Benji? It's my weekend, says Benji. Yes, well, enjoy your week. That means you can stay up. I don't even know where we are. If she's with us, surely that means we don't get attacked, right? Or we still do, don't we? The upper half of Texas gets winter and snow. Oh. Shit. Oh my god. Action movie. She'd watch all the killing movies and stuff. She loved it. Loved it. Nigel is the Mr. Marcus of this community. Who's Mr. Marcus? I'm not sure if I know who Mr. Marcus is. Well, that wasn't very nice, was it? Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Your meat rinsing schedule's all messed up, says Banako. You got to work with the CEO and the COO last night. That's a lot of acronyms there, Benji. Yes, I can. Alright, I'm getting this. I'm getting this. Now what? Oh, this is sinking. Oh, I see. Oh, shit. And then that spoils the goodness of what that original streamer had. And there's been so many issues with people offshore. There we go. Thank God for women's intuition. All right. Waterworld was like Mad. Yeah, it was. It's Mad Max with water. It was Mad. Hi, Justin. Oh fuck. Well, that's all right. We got him back. We got him back. We got him back. I'm just taking my time with this. With 393. These some interesting stats. Yeah, Torres is on the leaderboard for streams active though, followed by Matt. But Matt,
Maybe it is.
Oh, Sabby.
I'd find that a little difficult considering you don't own a Switch, Sabby.
Yes.
Date of automatic renewal. Yeah, in the next year. So I've got it. Look, it says that I've got the online expansion pack individual membership, right? I've got it. I might drink tomorrow, but we'll see how tonight goes. Probably limit it to 2 Uggies tonight if we do, but not expecting anything tonight. I think everyone's probably all cashed out from Christmas anyway, so. I have to be on for Chris Lindley and Milkman to like at least spend maybe, 20 minutes in here. Otherwise they crack the shits at me. Merry Christmas, Chuck. Hope you had a good one, dude. You're not Sabine. Damo has entered my Discord voice chat. Didn't invite him, just thought he'd come in. Didn't. Should I come in here or not?
That's not what your mother told me last night.
I don't feel I need to go in there. Let's just stay out of there. They're high. Dickhead! What are you doing looking at the map? No, stop pressing the map button. Oh shit, he's over there. Jeez, there's a lot of them here. Their own arrows kill their own ally. I got this. What am I playing? So this is called Darksiders. Darksiders? It's really good. Another game that I've perfect for everybody. Oh, more, there's more. Tom coming in! Oh my god, Tom! Tom's coming! Tom's coming with a big 1,500 stars. Oh my goodness, Tom, thank you so much. Leg day, yeah. Wes can't miss leg day anymore. All right, here we go. Oh, here we go, we made it. Freaking platforming genius. I hope you're well, Reed. How's your Christmas, mate? Thank you for coming in. He got fired. I swear I wasn't in the fire. I swear. I'm going to look back on that because I don't feel I was anywhere near the fire when... Oh, take that. And this one, I'll get you too because you got me before. Oh, you bugger. Come back. Who requested this game? Like the whole chat. Mainly Mikey. Mainly Mikey. They pressured me into... Time. Fuck you. Did that kill him? Right. Come on. Pierce Brosnan's on the boat and he finds him and he falls out of a cupboard and he's like got this giant smile on his face and he's dead. It's like the best death ever. He was so happy when he died.
crazy. I like you. But you're crazy.
And one more for Damo. That was a very big donation. Thank you, mate.
You're gonna be doing a lot of doobie rolling when you're living in a van down.
How do I open this damn door? Ah, that wasn't there before. That didn't let me do that before. Okay, fair enough. Oh, it's a main road that her apartment's on, and it was the middle of the night. And we heard this massive bang, and went to the balcony. Car had hit. Nice coming in with 100.
Your body is 70% water and daddy's thirsty.
Your goal is 55. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Basket that coming in with a. Zach, you bought the Lord of the Rings and Hobbit. Oh yeah, I've got them on 4K, Zach. Haven't had my annual viewing yet. I did the Back to the Future movies last week. And 10.
Maybe the dango ate your baby.
Shit. Oh, that's a good move. Comes in and just throws stuff out there, and it's dirty as hell. And I'm like, oh, all right. And then the chat starts talking about it or responding to her, and then I start talking about it, and then all of a sudden we're flying away from the game. We're flying away from whatever the hell we were talking about before, and it just turns into a festival of smut. So back to the square one now. Okay, we got the sword, didn't we? No, we didn't. All right, here we go. I'm gonna actually have to be good at this now to get through. Damo's well out in front now.
There's another one that just flew that I don't know where that came from. Come on. Come on. Oops.
Where is the horse and the
these games are making me want to watch the movies again, which is good. I might do a bit of a binge.
like rain on
Yeah, I don't want to know what did you do and what have you done in the past, Damo? Milkman says holiday was good. Holiday, yes, that's the way. It was great and good time. Any further? I don't want to miss it. I don't want to miss a thing. TN, where's TN? Tennessee? Oh, there's still enemies about. That was embarrassing. Well, but don't look up any dresses, all right? That's creepy, all right? Just don't do it. Oh, you delete? Why do you delete messages?
Just send them a dress.
I'm going very slow because I don't know what I'm doing or where I'm going. I'm taking my time, people. Looking at every nook and... You have to use a walker. Oh, yeah, you would be. Yeah, you'd have to get used to them for sure. You'd have to get used to them. Did you ever play Doom? No, I didn't. I never got in. Again.
I'm coming back.
Nothing on my end.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Thanks, Davo. Yeah, I can hear you fine. I can hear everything. So just fishing minigame as one of the best. I think it's great.
Did you look into that?
The VR one? I haven't yet, but it's on my list of things to do. Nigel, I could hook the VR up and do it, but yeah. Hi, David Brown. Good to see you. Dale says GTA was the only PS2 era game you could think of that was also open world. There would have been a couple. There was obviously Final Fantasy 12 was on the PS2. 10, you could argue, was very linear. Final Fantasy 10. So I don't know if I'd put that into an open world category. But do I have to go into Wraith World? Fuck, I've forgotten all the buttons and everything. There we go, there we go. Here we go.
Says John. Or Josh. Sorry, my eyes again.
No, you're right. A bit too tired, but I'm happy to stay and chat. You think it's intimate because your breath usually stinks? What? That's not good. You're not a smoker, are you? I can't. Bicycle will win. As long as he doesn't mess up or get blue shelled or anything like that, he'll be alright. Just shit, I don't think I can make that. Duck season. No, that's Warner Brothers. Wasn't he? Is that right? Yeah, Mrs. Potts. I can't remember all this shit. I really can't. Chip, that's right. Look at everyone. You guys all know, don't you? Oh dear. Shit, that barrel stuff.
It's a good thing he never has a chat to distract him.
Okay. We don't talk about the fishing stream. Oh dear, we had some great moments in that fishing stream. All this traffic. Bye, Scro, I hope you're rearing me.
I was trying.
I know where we are. Yeah, okay, I got this. All of that just to do this, okay. Alright, I'm working out the mechanics. This is good. Oh shit! Where you get to bounce on their heads. Alright, rewind. We're still winning by stuff. Alright, so we've got Maria with us. Maria! Hello, Maria. You spent way too much on Halloween candy, did you?